In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I was able to download this Monopoly Go. It's like a hack. I know it's kind of a weird thing to say, but this actually works. It's pretty crazy. So as you can see, guys, I'm going to show you guys my game. Look at this method right here. As you can see, my dice rolls are going up like crazy. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. It's totally working, guys. So let's get right into the video. So if you want to be rich, you need to follow my tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do, guys, is go over to this website. It is called ZooMods. It's full of crap that is not even available on the App Store, guys. We're talking like Pokemon Go Spoofer, Temu Hack, Predictor Aviator, but none of that really matters, does it? Because all I want is Monopoly Go Hack. So I'm going to go to the search bar and I'm going to type in Monopoly Go. And as you can see, guys, it should pop up somewhere. There it is, Monopoly Go Mods. Just press on this, guys. It's going to start to download. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself, guys. Get the word out. As you can see, guys, when we type in Monopoly Go, it is going to show us the nightmare. So let me just type it in right here. So as you can see, guys, when I type in Monopoly Go, I'm not looking for that. I'm looking for Monopoly Go. So as you can see, guys, this is the #1 game, dang. So if we go to in-app purchases, look how expensive it is, bro. Look how expensive it is. So I don't want you guys to get involved with this. It's not worth it. $99, what the heck, bro? So yeah, this is pretty ridiculous in my opinion, but be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. Get the word out because this actually works, guys. It's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. This is updated. It's awesome. And this is the time of Monopoly Go modded versions because then you don't have to spend any money on this game, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. It's totally updated and it is super cool, guys. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super cool, guys, and it's updated. So that means it's going to support the newest version of the game, which is pretty cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, this is super crazy, guys. It's actually updated. So if you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out, gang.